No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Today is May 29, 2013. What day is today? How will you know what day is today?
Wednesday.
Yes. So what time is it? Can you read the time?
7:12.
What? It's night. Is it PM or AM?
PM.
Okay. So we will add and subtract, okay? 74 minus 29.
4 minus 9.
Hmm?
It cannot be. So borrow 1 from 7.
Yes.
The 4 will become 14. 14 minus 9. 5.
Yes. 74 minus 29.
6 minus 2, 4.
So,
45.
correct. 63 minus 47.
2.
63 minus 47. Yes, yes.
63 minus 47. 3 minus 7. It cannot be. So borrow 1 from 6.
Yes.
That 3 will become 13.
63 minus 47. And you will forget. Don't stop. 63 minus 47. The 3 will become 13 and
And the 6 will become 5.
63 minus 47. Subtract already.
63 minus 47.
Yes. Yep. We said already.
Minus 47.
Yes.
Minus 7.
Yes. That's myself.
13 minus 7. 6.
63 minus 47. Don't stop.
5 minus
63 minus 47. 63 minus 47.
5 minus 4, 1. So 16.
Okay. 28 minus 4.
28 minus 4.
Equals?
24.
Yes. How about 80 minus 50?
80 minus 50. 30.
Yes. 580 minus 50.
430.
How about 900 minus 600?
300.
7,000 minus 2,000.
7,000 minus 2,000.
Yes.
7,000
Minus
minus
2,000. Yes.
5,000.
Yes. Correct. 50.
Laugh it out.
Yes. Yes.
Don't laugh it out.
Okay.
When I jump, you laugh it out.
Okay. 15,000 minus 2,000.
15,000 minus 2,000.
Yes.
15,000 minus
2,000.
15,000
Minus 2,000.
13,000.
Bravo, bravo. Laugh it out. Bravo. 90,000 minus 40,000.
90,000 minus 40,000. 50,000.
Yes, last for the subtraction, huh? 400,000. Last.
Let's finish.
Wait, last 400,000. Don't look.
400,000
Minus 200,000 equals
What did you say?
400,000 minus 200,000.
200,000.
Okay, yes. Okay, we go to addition, okay? Don't look to the 35 plus 49. Plus, addition already. 35 plus 49.
35 plus 49. 5 plus 9.
Yes. Good job.
14. Bring them 4 and carry 1. I like one problem.
Yes, two. Come on.
Carry 1
30
above.
35 plus 49.
Carry 1 above.
35 plus 49.
Carry 1 above 3.
Yeah. So?
1 plus 3. 4.
35 plus 49. 35 plus 49.
4 plus 4.
Yes, it was.
Take it for only one
Yes.
problem.
Last one for the with the carry. 56 plus 37.
56 plus 37. 56 plus 37.
Yes.
6 plus 7. 13. Bring down 3 and
Yes. And
carry 1
56.
above
56 plus 37.
5. 1 plus 5 is plus 3, 9.
So,
So 9.
bravo. 82 plus 6.
I like
Oh.
3, only 3.
Yes, these are easy already. 82 plus 6.
8.
82 plus 6.
80.
Correct.
How about
40 plus 50.
90?
Yes. 340 plus 50
340
Plus 50. equals?
390 kilometers.
Yes. 50 plus 50.
50 plus 50. 30 or 100.
Yeah, 100. How about 600 plus
I
200?
thank you.
Yes, thank you. 600 plus 200.
800.
Yes. Okay. 500 plus 500.
500 plus 500. 1,000 or 1000.
Yes. 540
540
plus 200.
plus 200. 500, 200.
540 plus 200. Look at the 200. Which one will
540 plus 200.
equals? Bravo.
Ow, 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 ow,
600 plus 500.
ow.
I'm about to finish. 600 plus 500.
600 plus 500. 110.
No. Again. 600 plus 500.
600 plus 500. 1100.
Or 11 or
1,000.
1,000.
100.
Bravo.
1,000. 100.
8,000 plus 9,000.
8,000 plus 9,000. 8,000
Plus
plus
9,000
9,000.
equals
8,000 plus 9,000.
equals
70,000.
bravo. How about 70,000 plus 20,000?
90,000.
Bravo. 300,000 plus 400,000.
700,000.
Correct. Last. 500,000 plus 500,000.
500,000
Plus
plus 500,000. 10,000,000. 1,000,000.
okay, okay. Here, say you're done. Say
I'm
goodbye.
done.
See you next
Goodbye.
time.
See you next time.
Okay.